Smooth? Check. Soft? Check. Creamy? Check. That's right, these bacon mashed potatoes are locked and loaded with flavor.
Just yummy!
Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're making this bacon cheddar mashed potatoes. These are loaded potatoes for any occasion. I guarantee you that if you make this, everybody's gonna ask for the recipe. For the ingredients, you need around 5 pounds of potatoes. I'm using yellow or golden potatoes. 1 pound of bacon. I'm using hickory smoked bacon. 1 cup of sour cream and 8 ounces of cream cheese. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a few pickled serrano peppers with the juice, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and spring onions, but we're only using the ends. And last, salt and pepper to taste. Now I'm going to chop the spring onions. The spring onions are only to top or mashed potatoes. We're only using the ends of the spring onions, and we're gonna chop around this much. Time to chop our pickled serrano peppers, and don't forget, don't throw away your pickled juice because we need that. I'm chopping them finely. Okay, right now we're going to get our bacon ready to get it all nice and crispy in our air fryer because we want to make sure it's super crispy for this recipe. Okay, we're ready to put our bacon in the air fryer, get it nice and crispy, but before we do that, come here. Get closer, closer, closer. Gotta tell you a little secret, make sure you don't throw away the bacon grease, because that's a secret ingredient. Once again, make sure our air fryer is on air fry mode. And we're going to put our bacon in there. And we're going to have it on air fry mode for 400 at 10 to 12 minutes to get nice and crispy. Bacon is done. Super crispy because that's how we want it. Again, remember, don't throw away the bacon grease. We save that. It's essential in this recipe. So make sure you don't throw it away. We're going to cut our potatoes into smaller pieces before we boil them so they can cook faster. I'm also not peeling them because I feel like this adds a nice texture to the mashed potatoes. We're going to put our potatoes to boil, make sure they're completely covered in water, and then we'll check on them in a little bit. The next step is to combine the rest of our ingredients before we add our potatoes. That way we mash everything together and combine all the flavors in one spot. So we're gonna add our butter, our cream cheese, our sour cream, garlic, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, or serranos. My favorite part is crumbling up the bacon. This is just so satisfying to do. Especially when it's this crispy. Like, should crumble, no problem. That's how you know it's really crispy. It's okay if there's bigger chunks. We don't discriminate here. Now it's time to add our potatoes. The potatoes are done. We're ready to combine everything together and make our mashed potatoes. I'm adding pepper, salt and pepper. And let's not forget our secret ingredient, our bacon grease. Hopefully you didn't throw it away. Okay, time to add our potatoes. now we are going to Hulk smash the potatoes. Working out that muscle, you know, no need to go to the gym. Man, it smells so good already. Okay, we're being Hulk smashing the potatoes for a little bit. And for us, we love it like this with a little bit of chunks of potato. Some people completely want it super smooth. It's up to you. You can, depends how long you want to be smashing the potatoes. It's up to you. Okay, let's not forget about our cheddar cheese. And let's finish mixing. Look at this. Our mashed potatoes are almost done. Well, our dish is done. Here comes my favorite part, which is trying it. Ooh, look at this chunkiness, richness, creaminess, everything. That is yummy, delicious. I'm trying to keep a straight face. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'm ready.